Hello, let's start our weekly analysis here. We're gonna go through many different markets to see what you have good for the coming week. Today was a holiday here in the West, so tomorrow all those banks are gonna be open. Was a lack of volatility today, so tomorrow's gonna be much better. So let's start here on the AUD CAD. So if you look on the screen here to the left, you can see that the market's on sideways. It's a ranging market. If you take a look here to the H4 time frame, 4 hour, same thing. On H4, it looks like that the market is moving up. Change this a little bit. Yeah, H4 is moving up, but we have on the daily we have all this resistance here. So I'll do nothing for now just because of the daily time frame. If I like to do something, I should buy, down here and profit around this area here. But I think if you're not in, it's gonna be too late to get to this trade right now. Let's move to ADCHF daily time frame here, sideways as well. Yeah, I'll pass on this one here. There's nothing to do. Um, if you wanna go to like an hour, you're probably gonna have some up movements. But if you take a look on the daily, there is not much that the market can go right now. About 50 pips. The risk is about 80 pips. So just skip this. Doesn't make sense. Risk about seven 75 pips to make if the market goes up here to make like 80, not 80, 50 pips, 30, 40, 50 pips. I'll pass on this trade. AUD JPY, I sold this over here. H4 is moving up. The daily was in a downtrend. uh, the daily didn't change to the upside yet, so I think this gonna move lower the next few days. I'm gonna hold this. I have a stop loss here. If the market maybe break this high, I would think about get out of this trade, but I'm gonna hold until um, break this or move to the downside. I'm gonna wait on that a little bit. AUD and ZD, I sold I sold this pair here uh, on the daily. My stop loss is above this high. This is the stop loss, and I have another pending order. If the market decided to go up, I'll get in on a sell side, and I have take profit here. You can see better on the 4 hour time frame. So I'm waiting for this market to come down. It's on sideways movements. Go up, come back down, go up. Let's see how this is gonna play out the next day or so. Um, I don't trade much, below 4 hour, but if you want to catch some trades on the hourly time frame, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, I don't like it. to stay here. AUD, USD. So the daily time frame is move sideways this level and this level here. So the market went to resistance and then reject. Looks like that is moving lower on the daily. Let's see on H4. So we have this demand zone here. The market, have a hard time to break this demand zone. Move up, retest it. See, this might gonna break, and then the next demand zone will be this one here. I'm gonna put a pending order. Let me see how much is gonna be the risk. About 40 pips. 40 pips. Yeah, let me put a pending order here. Stop loss gonna go below this low over here, and my take profit. I'm gonna put it. See, I'm gonna risk about 45. 45. Let's do about 80 pips. Take profit. See how this gonna play tomorrow or Wednesday. CAD CHF. The weekly time frame is moving down. So bearish trend. Um, you don't have any other demand here. So this is the lowest low. H4. The market have a difficult time to break this at the mid zone, but we have one, two, three, four, five touches. I'm gonna stay away from this trade because the market, if it comes back here, there's a high chance that this will break. The next demand zone on the 4 hour time frame is gonna be this one here. So let's put a pending order here. If the market break this demand zone here, I'll get in on this buy trade. It's risk. Let me see how much is the risk. About 40 pips to make. Let's put 80 pips, 2 to 1. So let's send this. C CHF JPY. I am on the sell trade. I have half lot here and another half little bit above. So I'm gonna hold this, see how this is gonna play out. It looks like that we have like in head and shoulder here with the left shoulder, right shoulder, and let's see if the market can make a U-turn from this point. So let's see if the market break this trend line, and then you're gonna feel more comfortable to hold this trade to the downside. Euro AUD, so sideways, daily, sideways H4. Um, Nothing that I can do at the moment. Euro CAD, same thing. If you take a look here on the daily time frame, there is not much room for buyers, and for sell, there is nothing to sell right now. I'm gonna hold this until um, I'll plan to sell this if the market break this low here. As for now, I'm just gonna pass on this. Nothing for me to do it. Euro CHF daily time frame, it's sideways. Weekly 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yeah, 2 months on sideways movements. Let's see here. 50 pips. I'm gonna buy one lot on this pair. I'm gonna risk about $2,000. $2,000 to make uh, three. I'm gonna risk about $2,000 to make $3,000. This is gonna be here for like maybe you know weeks from now, because if you can count the candles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so have me here for 2 months. So it's nothing that I expect this to be concluded in the next day or so. So this will take some time. Euro GBP, I am in this trade, was close to hit my stop loss. I'll show you. So Euro GBP, $167 negative on one position, and I have this 283, 266. So let's see how this gonna play. There is a chance that my stop loss will be hit. So not much that I can do right now. I don't want to get. I don't want to get in with another lot here. So the markets go against me. I don't want to just place more trades just because the market's against me. I would prefer, get out with the stop loss and then see how the market gonna play tomorrow, or maybe by the end of the week. Euro Japanese yen sideways. No much you can do here. Euro NZD. So this, if you look at the daily time frame, you see how confused these are. Yeah, I'm gonna pass on this trade as well. Euro UST sideways. The markets move from this resistance to this support. So right now the market hit resistance and it's moving to the support line here. So not much that I can do. If I decide to get in right now, my stop loss should be about 370 pips to make 330, 340 pips. not worth it, the risk. So on the higher time frame, there's nothing that I can do. See if it can have something in the smaller time frame. H1, there is nothing for me right now. So supply zone, demand zone, 18 pips. So I'm gonna risk this 18 pips here. I'm gonna risk 18 pips to make. I'm gonna risk almost $200 to make $600. 3 to 1. See how this is gonna play. GBP AUD. That is not like a strong trend right now. So I'll pass on this trade here. Let me take a look. Yeah, nothing for me to do right now. I'm gonna skip this one here as well. GBP CAD. We had some opportunity to get in here. Market move it up about 65 pips. The risk was just 43 pips. On the daily time frame, we have a trend, like an uptrend here, pretty strong. But we have this supply zone here, and you have another one here. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna place two trades. I'm gonna sell this. Oh, this is the weekly. Let me see. It's the daily. Yeah, based on the daily, I'm not gonna do anything because I don't wanna sell just based on the weekly time frame. So the market should go up about almost 200 pips. I'll wait maybe next day or so to see if the market can come up here, and then I'll decide if we can get you like a short trade. For now, I'm gonna step out. GBP CHF. Let me see if I am on this position here. GBP CHF. No, nope. Pass on this one. GBP JPY sideways on 4-hour time frame. Daily was in the downtrend and looks like that is moving up. I don't think this is gonna hold to the upside. Um, But if the market can come up here, will be a good place to sell. Let me put my sell pending order over there and take profit. Put like 3 to 1. Send it. GBP and ZD. Daily is moving up. H4. It's ranging. Uh, Skip this. GBP USD. I got in with two one full lot was like two 50 lot trades. So I'm gonna hold this until hit my stop loss. I have stop loss just below this low. Just gonna give some room here, but I'm not gonna move the stop loss. I'll stay there. NZD CAD. The daily was an uptrend, and then we have like this down movement. The market retrace. Take a look here on weekly time frame to see. Weekly time frame, it's up. Daily. I'll skip this one here as well. NZDCHF. Weekly. Monthly. $200. Getting. I'm gonna get in here on trade on the monthly time frame. I'm gonna risk about 4,000 to make. Put it here, maybe 7,000. Yeah, or it's 4,000 to make 7,000 on the monthly. The weekly, the stop loss is gonna be just below this low. Move a little bit, a couple more pips. See this how this gonna play. NZDJPY, not much I can do here. It's ranging. Go to supply, come back to demand. Now looks like that is moving to the supply zone again. So nothing for me to do it. NZD, USD, weekly time frame, it's on sideways as well. So 4 hour. Yeah, I'll do two things here. I'll wait to see if the market can come down here to this low. And then if does, I'm gonna place my buy now trade. Or if the market goes back, to the supply, I'm gonna sell anywhere around here. So right now, I am you know, halfway to the resistance and halfway to the support, zone. So not much that I can do it. USD CAD is moving up very strong. I'll press on this USD CHF. I have two lots here on the buy side. Um, this is a 4 hour. Let's see the daily. So this is the daily. Looks like that we're having head and shoulder here with left shoulder, right shoulder. This is the leg neckline. If the market break this resistance point here, so the market gonna move up. But I don't like to wait, to have like any kind of confirmation. I prefer to get, if I think that the market gonna break this the resistance, I'm gonna place my trade to the lowest point. Maybe when the market get here, I'm, already gonna think about to get out of the trade. So let's see how this is gonna play. And I think that's it. That's it. I'm not gonna take a look on more powerful today. So we're gonna come back maybe by the end of the week to see how all this trade plays out. All right. I'll see you guys on the next video.